Hello, noble families and students. Mr. Koblenz here, coming to you today with a video over Week Three's assignments. I'm going to go over each assignment and explain in detail exactly what you need to do to complete the assignment and how to submit the assignment for me to view. So let's go ahead and get started by showing you Google Classroom at this time. So here is our class page. Let's go ahead and go to classwork here at the top. You should have this button on your page as well. So I made a couple of changes, actually one major change to the assignments and how they look. So what you're going to notice is if you scroll down to the bottom, I have put new headings here. We have the extended spring break packets that were sent home. We're not really worried about these at this time, but I still have them on here for you to view. We have all of week one's assignments listed right here, going from reading to social studies to math assignments, writing assignments, all there from week one. I have made week two's assignments here with the choice board along with chapters 3 and 4 of the Titanic, all the reading assignments, math assignments, and writing assignments that I put in there along with the social studies assignment, which is the Titanic scavenger hunt. And there should be one more down here at the bottom, the iceberg article. Okay. I have then gone ahead and left the specials headings here, and I have made a new heading for week 3 here with all of the assignments for week 3. So they have all been posted except for one assignment, which I'll explain in a minute what that assignment is. But let's go ahead and open up the choice board here. So it'll show you all the assignments we have for this week. So we have I Survived the Titanic, Chapter 1 through 4 quiz, Chapter 5 and Chapter 6, and a page on subjects and predicates. We have our 3 math lessons, which is lessons 8 through 10. We have our Chapter 11 review assignment. We have extra math 3 times, and just this Prodigy suggested if you have extra time. We have a science assignment on Wonderful Wind, a social studies assignment on a sinking giant. We have a writing assignment, which is my favorite thing about learning from home. And then you have your specials, which I'm sure you'll learn more about those assignments as we get to the day that those specials are taking place. So tomorrow's Mondays, or if you're viewing this today on Monday, your assignment for that day is music. Okay? And that will be posted on Google Classroom. Okay? Those are our assignments for the week. Week 3 assignments due by April 26th at 11:59 p.m. Okay? Let's go ahead and go back to Google Classroom. And let's get into a couple of the assignments. So the first one, the one I suggest you doing on Monday for reading, would be the Titanic quiz. You click that, and we'll open it to this page. There are 6 questions on this Google slide. You're going to answer those questions about chapters 1 through 4. So if you've listened to chapters 1 through 4 on YouTube, you have an idea of what happened in the book so far. If you don't know any of these answers, you are welcome to go back and watch the YouTube videos for chapters 1 through 4, find the answer, and get the answer correct. Okay? I don't mind if you check if you don't know the answer. Okay? When you're finished typing in those answers, and again, there's a box here for you to put in your answers. Okay? You can just type it in. Oops. I just deleted it by accident, so let me go ahead and undo that. But you can type in your answers in these boxes. You're typing your answer here for question 4, typing here for question 5, and typing the events in the correct order for number 6. So you're going to put numbers of what happened first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay? Those are the questions for the quiz. Don't forget to submit it when you are finished. Okay? The second thing I suggest you do for Monday, and I'm going to move this here so you know it's next, would be, actually let me put that first, is math lesson 11.8. Okay? The 10-minute video has been attached over math lesson 11.8. You're going to watch the video and complete the same pages that I do in the video, and then you're going to complete page 671, number 3 through 7 for classwork, attach the work, and submit it. So that's 5 questions after you watch the video and do the pages that I do. It's really important that you are doing the same pages I am doing in the video. If you got to pause the video, that's no big deal. Pause it, get your answers down, work to understand it, and that will help you answer questions 3 through 7. Okay? That's lesson 11.8. So I would suggest Again, doing math lesson 11.8 and the quiz tomorrow on Monday for reading and math. Okay? On Tuesday, let's get to Tuesday. That's where you're going to be doing your I Survived the Titanic chapters 5 and 6. So I would suggest doing chapter 5 on Tuesday, chapter 6 on Wednesday. You can plan it out that way. It's no big deal. Okay, the YouTube video is already attached to listen to those chapters. Miss Volanti is working on creating the questions, so they'll be posted by tomorrow morning. But again, I don't suggest doing this these chapters until after you've taken the quiz on Monday. So do the quiz Monday, do chapter 5 on Tuesday, chapter 6 on Wednesday. You're done with your chapters for the week. Okay? For math lesson, for Tuesday, I suggest doing math lesson 11.9. Again, the video is attached, 13 minutes long. You're going to only be doing 2 problems for the classwork, page 677, numbers 7 through 8. Don't forget to do the pages that, again, I am doing in the video, and then complete those 2 questions for your grade for that day. Okay? Wednesday's math lesson is lesson 11.10. I suggest doing this one on Wednesday. 17 minutes long. It's a little bit longer. The lesson's a little bit... It's very similar to lesson 11.9, but it's a little bit longer. It'll take you a little bit more time to do. And I also tell you what assignment you're going to do on Thursday for math, okay, in the video. You don't have to watch the video to know what assignment to do because I did post it here as well, right here where it says Math Chapter 11 Review. But again, watch the video, complete the same pages I do, then complete page 685, number 1 through 5 for classwork, attach that page and submit it. Okay? I don't need all the other pages, I just want the questions on page 685, 1 through 5. Okay? So Thursday's assignments, suggested assignments. I suggest that you do Math Chapter 11 Review. Okay, I ask you to do pages 687 and 689 to review Chapter 11. Those are 2 pages. Each page has 3 questions, so 6 questions in all. Okay, attach and submit both pages when you're finished, so I have both of those, please. Okay, six questions just over Chapter 11. Okay. Thursday's reading assignment. I suggest you do this assignment on grammar, subjects, and predicates. I want to show you this real quick because you might not understand what you're supposed to do on some of these questions, so let me show you. Slide 1. What is a subject? What is a predicate? You're going to go ahead and drag the correct things, okay, into the correct box. If you forget what a subject and predicate is, I reminded you here in the description what a subject and what a predicate is. So you can put those into the correct box, just dragging and putting them. In the second page, you're going to drag the boxes again to the correct box. So the subject is underlined. Which one of these has the subject underlined, and which one has the predicate underlined? Drag them to the correct box. For slide number 3, draw a line located in the toolbar under each subject. So let me show you. Number 1's been done for you. The cute dog is the subject. There's a line. Okay. You're doing number 2. My brother spilled the milk. Remember, the subject is who or what the sentence is about. So who is sentence number 2 about? It's about my brother. So what you will do is you will take your mouse or your finger, whatever you're using, you'll go up here and you will find this thing right here that says line. It has 2 endpoints and a line in the middle. You'll click on that and it will allow you to draw a line just like that underneath the answer. Okay, so you have to do it for each one, underlining the subject. Page 4, you're underlining the predicate. So remember, the predicate is what happened in the sentence. It's the action. Cute dog jumped through a hula hoop. My brother spilled the milk. So your line's going to go under spilled the milk. Boom. Okay? Page 5, sorting it. Okay? Read the boxes, sort whether each group of words is a subject or a predicate. So it's kind of just like number 2. Okay? Sorting those. And the last one. Put one line under each subject and highlight each predicate. So putting a line under the subject Anaya and her brother played Multiplication War. What's the subject? Well, it's Anaya and her brother. And the predicate is played the Multiplication War. So to highlight. Okay. Let's see here. Should be a highlighter option, and that's what I'm looking for. Oh, actually, what am I doing here? You're going to want to click, and you want to drag to select all the words, and then here's your highlight. Okay, whatever color you want. Fine. Okay, so a line under the subject, highlight the predicate. Go ahead and undo those, so that when you guys do these pages, you don't have all of the answers. Okay. And I think we should be set. Yep. So this is how you do those pages. Don't forget to submit that work when you're finished. Alright, and then we have a Science and Social Studies assignment, which I suggest you do on Friday. So you can do the Social Studies assignment. Again, Google Slides. You can listen to the story. Okay, or you can read the story. There are two options here. Read, listen. Clicking on this will help you let you listen, or reading it on your own. Okay, and then there are some questions. So we have a timeline where you're going to fill in some missing events. What happened on April 15th, 1912 at 2:19 a.m., April 14th at 11:40 p.m., and April 15th, 2 a.m., April 15th, 2:20 a.m. So you're going to fill in what happened. What changes could have been made to make sure that the more passengers could be safely rescued in case of an emergency? Give at least 2 ideas. So I want a couple of sentences here. At least 2 sentences, but possibly more. This is a good chance to practice your writing. Okay, there's a second page where you're answering some questions. Okay, which text structure did the author use to organize this passage? Was this the best text structure to use? What is the author's purpose? So drag your X to if you think they were trying to persuade you, inform you, or entertain you. What is the main idea? And 3 supporting details to support your main idea. You can check your answers when you're completely finished. Fix your work when you're done. So that's helpful to you too. Don't forget to submit that slide when you're finished. Science. We have a Google form. You'll open that up. You'll put your name. You'll read this short story on wind. And you will answer the questions and click submit when you are finished. Okay? And that is pretty much it for your assignments. Again, still have to finish uploading chapters 5 and 6, but you're not going to do those till Tuesday or Wednesday, hopefully. And I have one writing assignment I need to upload yet, and it will be pretty self-explanatory, kind of like last week's writing assignment for you to do. But other than that, that is the end of the video. If you have any questions about how to do any of these assignments, go back in the video and watch, or feel free to ask me. I will help you with whatever you need. Don't forget also to do 3 sessions of extra math. Many of you are behind. This is a chance 7 days in the week to get caught up if you're behind. So please just do it each day. It takes 5 or 10 minutes. That's it. Okay? Any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. And other than that, have a great week and let me know what you need. Mr. Koblenz, out.